I started a YouTube channel that generated 6,000 subscribers, 6 million views in less than 60 days, and I just revamped the entire channel, taught my team internally how they're gonna make content for this channel to blow it up to 100,000 subscribers within the next 12 months, and I'm releasing that entire training for free. Make sure you guys subscribe if you think I deserve it. See you guys on the training.
You're going to open it, new project, and you're going to import. Both of them are done downloading. Is we upload the clip itself, the hour-long clip in the timeline, and the hour-long audio right below it. Press the plus button to zoom in on the timeline, and we just need to find one little clip. If you find clips in the beginning of the video, imagine this. If this had 12 million views, most of the people probably watched the beginning. But if you scroll to the end, this is the stuff that people probably didn't stick around to watch. So let's find a cool moment there. We're going to clip that. Now we just delete the stuff that came before it, and you have to come over here, grab the audio, and drag it. That was quick, Logan. It's like you almost had that ready on standby. I feel like everything Logan does is super scripted and super stupid, to be honest. Every time you cut it, make sure that the audio realigns. Dude, Logan, you gotta stop the script and stuff. It sounds so bad. And here's GPT's response. I'm gonna show you how to do the aspect ratio here in a second. Retention is plummeting right now. Look at that, Jimmy. That might be the title of the video. Dude, that's so funny, bro. Dude. Oh, this is actually a good clip right here. Look at that. See, you want to find the golden clips, the clips that people are going to watch 100 million times. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to map out every single time the camera switches angles from Mr. Beast to Logan to KSI, and we're just scrubbing through the video using the two keys back and forth. We're literally going frame by frame just so that we don't miss it, so that it cuts right there. Now that we have all the different angles, we can see that we've mapped them out with the different cuts, and we're going to press the ratio button, the 9:16, and we're just going to have to figure out how to crop this. There's 3 people in this clip. We could easily just drag this up and do this. So that's definitely not what we're going for. So what we could do too, drag it down, and you know what we're putting here on the bottom? So what I would do is I would go ahead and I would create a folder of just a bunch of video game stuff. And I would just import that, because you can use that for basically all your Mr. Beast stuff. So I have Minecraft clips. I just grab them from TikTok, and I could just drag any one of these random ones right below this video. And we're going to cut it right there. Boom. Cut. Turn the volume down because the volume would be annoying. And then we have to find out how we're going to bring these 2 clips together. What I would do is I would right click this clip. There's an edit button, crop ratio. We're just going to crop that into right about half, because half is, typically where the action of the clip is happening. Drag it right down below. Make sure that there's no black lines because you didn't crop it correctly. Now you can play the clip.
What is the GPU?
Copy this clip and then duplicate it. Why are we duplicating it? There's 2 people here. So just like I showed you the crop, we're going to go here, edit, we're going to crop ratio, and we're just going to crop out Logan on the top one. And guess what we're going to do to the bottom one? We're going to crop out KSI. So we bring this up, and now we have one of Logan, one on the bottom, edit. We're going to crop, but instead of cropping Logan this time, we're cropping KSI. Boom. And KSI will sit there right in the bottom. Now we have this tight shot on Logan. So what we could do is we could just rip this whole thing to be boom. That seems like a powerful shot right there. Same thing here. Bring the playhead right here to the beginning of the clip. Command C, Command V. And remember, we're going to go to edit. We're going to go to crop ratio, crop in Logan. And then we go to KSI on the bottom. We edit and we crop. And we crop this bad boy in, put him on the bottom. Swivel over a little bit more. Now we got Mr. Beast by himself. We could even add a Minecraft clip there if you wanted to, which I might actually do that. So I zoom this up, drag this down, add this little bad boy clip on the bottom. It's super tall, so we have to crop it in right into the middle because that's where the action of the clip is going to be happening. That's just a safe bet all around. We're going to copy this, Mr. Beast, drag playhead to the beginning of the clip. We're going to paste it. Same routine that we did with the last one. Boom. The edit has been complete. Did not take too much time at all. All we need to do now, press text, auto captions, generate, and I'm going to show you some cool little tricks that we can do to make this text really super engaging. So what we're going to do first is over to the right, highlight keywords. We're going to click that and we're going to clear all keywords. We don't want any weird text colorations or anything. The standard auto captions, they start at the bottom. You want to drag them up right there in the middle. And just standard text doesn't really look that cool. We want to add some auto captions that are going to really stand out. Okay, you can just play around. You can find something that you think is cool. You want something that's going to be interesting, engaging. Like that seems kind of cool right there. This is Mr. Beast style font anyway. I like this one a lot too. I'm going to go ahead and export this and go Mr. Beast, press export. Right here for video resolution, it might auto set to 4K. YouTube and Instagram and TikTok hate that. So you want to just turn it to 1080p and you want to press export. This video is going to populate right there at the bottom of your downloads. If you're not on Mac, if you're on something else, then you're just going to have to find it in your downloads folder. There's going to be some type of save location, but the video is right here now. So what I could do is I could right click share and I can airdrop it to my phone and post it that way. Hope you guys like this one. Ask me any questions if you have them.